Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are stopped for the night finally. We are in DeForest, Wisconsin right now, currently about 30 minutes away from my delivery. Today's video, guys, is a short video, nothing too crazy, nothing too wild, but I wanted to show you guys what I added to the collection. I added 3 new DCP semis to the collection. I recorded it yesterday at my house, so I'm gonna put it in here. My camera died, guys, so that's why we're back inside the semi. It's currently charging, but make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for the love and support. It means a lot to me, guys. I have been reading and I try my best to respond to everyone on the comments. I have been seeing a lot where people are wondering what is it that I use for a GPS. I will be doing a video probably a day after this video uploads, so make sure you stay tuned so that way I can explain in that other video what is it that I use for a GPS to navigate in my semi truck. So enjoy the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe once again. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. All right, let's start unboxing this baby, guys. Guess what it is? Before I show y'all, guess. Drop a comment down below. It is here, guys. We finally have it in our hands. Look at that. Let's crack her open. Talking it with one hand. Not really. Guys, this thing looks beautiful. The box is in perfect condition. The semi and the trailer are in perfect condition as well. Look at the box. Look how clean it is. All the edges are crisp. Look at that. Man. How beautiful it is. Let's see what the back says. Island & Sons Trucking is a family-owned trucking company out of Hampton, Minnesota. Tom Island has been the proud owner and founder of Island & Sons Trucking for 25 years. Island & Sons Trucking consists of 50-plus trucks that look nothing less than spectacular, both locally and over-the-road hauling, end dumps, van trailers, flatbeds, and tankers. Island & Sons Trucking has been featured in the Shell Rotella Super Rigs calendar for many years and has taken home multiple awards at truck shows around the United States. Pat Allen, owner of his own company, continues to work for Island & Sons. His personal truck, the Iron Outlaw, spends many hours on the road hauling many different loads. And then it's reconditioned, redesigned to make it ready for competition. It too has won many awards at several shows. Oh shit. So guys, we finally got, like I mentioned before, this baby right here in the box and everything original. I actually have this truck already in my collection, but it's just the truck and trailer. I got a really good deal without the box. I got a super good deal on this one with the box, so I couldn't pass it up. Y'all gonna be mad at me. There's the other one, and here's the new one. Look at that. We got 2, baby. Oh yeah. while we unbox and show y'all the new additions to the collection. Man, I couldn't make it this year, but next year, hopefully I can make it. Looks so sick. I made it out there 1 year. I think it was maybe like 2 years ago with the W9. Damn, look at the heart on that slicker. Beautiful. Okay, so this right here is the Farmer's Oil. Actually got this one at the Casson Truck Show in Minnesota. If you guys watched that video, you guys seen that I had told y'all to drop a comment and guess what truck I had gotten, and this was the one right here. Perfect condition. I got 294 out of 300. This thing is gorgeous, man, and in really good condition. Look at that. So this is the second edition, guys, to the collection. And we have one more after this one. Oh shoot, I dropped the Farmers. We got a Cunley Bros K100. This one just dropped. This thing is beautiful. It's a Big Rigs collection. Look at this. Got it from MC2 Toys. Thanks to these guys for this truck. They ship ASAP, guys. I got this truck literally within like 3 days of ordering it. Maybe sooner. Look how beautiful this thing is. It's got a visor. It's got a bumper with lights. Really nice paint job. Stretched. Of course, the beautiful trailer. That. This is actually my first cabover in my collection, guys, right here. So this thing is gonna have to go up on the case. The Farmer's Oil and the other one I'm going to show you guys right now. I think I'm going to wait and keep them in the box. So here is the other one that I bought in Casson. Look at this beauty, you guys. Abbott and Sons W900 with the dry van. This thing is gorgeous, guys. Perfect condition box. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So, we actually got 3 trucks to add in the collection, guys. 3 of them. So not bad.